Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting your phone to the computer with a reliable USB cable. This is the first actionable step. Make sure the phone is unlocked and screen on so permission prompts appear. Once connected, watch the phone. Android will often show a notification about USB use. Tap that notification, choose file transfer or tethering options as prompted, and grant any connection permission requested. This lets the computer see the device and enables the settings you need next. Now you enable tethering in System Settings. Navigate to Settings, then Network and Internet or Connections depending on your device. Once there, open Hotspot and Tethering. This groups the options logically. You should see USB Tethering. Do not toggle it until the cable is connected and the PC recognizes the phone. When you switch it on, the phone creates a network interface and the computer usually installs drivers automatically. If it doesn't, give it a moment and check the PC's network panel for a new connection. Finish by confirming the computer has internet through the phone, open a web page or run a quick ping. If it fails, first toggle USB tethering off and on or disconnect and reconnect the cable. Small resets often work. Make sure mobile data is enabled on the phone because tethering uses that connection. If the PC lacks drivers, install the phone's OEM drivers or try a different USB port. As a key troubleshooting tip, test with another cable or another computer to isolate phone versus PC issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.